Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and figure out if this thing is operational, if the hydraulics are going to hold. We're going to go ahead and raise it up while we're doing our inspection and let it sit there and see what happens. If hydraulics are to the point where you've got too much of a leak, you're going to see that thing just start going down. It won't stay stationary. If it's a small enough leak that it's still operational, and again, I would not do this with any kind of weight. It's only because we're talking about a few little wood pallets that we'd even consider using it. And we're not doing actual operations and no one's going to be nearby. We're going to be keeping this low to the ground anyways. We're going to be moving this with only a few inches off the ground. We are probably not going to attempt to place pallets anywhere, or the test, we're just going to raise it up, raise it down because of that condition. Just to err on the side of being conservative and ultra safe. Alright, so we noticed that we kind of got a little bit off kilter. I kind of violated rule number 1 and we didn't do a thorough walk around. But again, we found something right away that was an issue. We address it. That may have just said, okay, forget it, we're done. You're always looking for some reason why this equipment should not be used. There's one potential one that we need to have addressed.